Hello everyone, what's up? Here's the site from ranking10x.com, and in this video I'm gonna announce my Black Friday link building deal that I'm running at the moment. I won't take much time of yours. This is gonna be a very short video and to the point, to be honest. So yeah, I'll get to the deal that I'm running, but before that I wanna showcase the type of results we are able to get for our clients. This is a law firm client. This is pretty much the most competitive niche on the internet, and if you see we started when the average ranking was somewhere around 135. At the moment it's around 50-60, so we kind of doubled down within 4, 5, 6 months, and if you see now, our 6 main keywords are in top 3, 19 are in top 10, 35 in top 30, and 38 in top 100. Average position is 57.66 from 140, and in a niche like personal injury, which is crazy competitive. Other than that, if you actually see the sort of results we were able to get for this client, we were able to go from 0 to 5k a month in traffic. Then this one, pretty much same stuff, 11 million impressions. This is kind of a testimonial that a client gave, that hey Yash, you have been doing some great work, we really appreciate it. We got the boost for these keywords, within 2 months. It moved the needle, highly recommend, and stuff like that. Other than that, we were able to also improve the amount of calls and stuff. So you can get results with this one. Now coming to the main point, what's the price and stuff. So I've got 2 deals for you. First, on a platform name is legit.com. I'm not sure if you know that, but it's a platform where I'm listed at the moment. The prices on these platform are pretty low, and I'm offering 1 link or so, but I'll come to the package deal after that. But yeah, if you need guest post link, I'll leave a link to this in the description. It's gonna cost you $79, but not right now. If you use a code that is bflegit.com with double I 2024, you'll get 15% off. So that's crazy discount. It would hardly cost you $65-67. Yeah, only that for a link with with traffic from 500 to 5,000, which is crazy good. Same stuff, you can use any other as well. And I have got pretty good testimonials from a lot of guys. If you see here, the guy mentioned that Yash did a fantastic job with this outreach campaign. He secured 2 links on niche relevant blogs and did so very quickly. Stuff like that. Some examples of what sort of websites we were able to get links from. And if you see the reviews, 10 reviews are positive, 1 is negative, and the reason why, if you see why this one's negative, is because so he said that I wasn't able to deliver on time. Yeah, it was true. He was expecting a lot more results. He actually ordered a lot of links, and the team couldn't do it within the time span, so he left a negative review. But anyways, we were able to get him the results, we were able to get him links, just got a bit late. Yeah, that's all stuff. Other than that, this is the link building package website. So if you want to buy links in bulk, I wouldn't say bulk, but it's a kind of a complete package that's needed for ranking. So if you don't want to buy 1 single link or stuff like that, you could just come on to this page. And these are Black Friday exclusive price. I'll be honest, this is usually $219. This is somewhere around $300, somewhere around $500, and this is somewhere around $700. So it's crazy low pricing at the moment, and you ain't just getting 1 guest post link or so. You're getting citations, audit, competitor analysis, guest post link, PB links. Then quantity differs on this, then this. But I would suggest, if you are in somewhat kind of a bit competitive niche, make sure you are actually kind of taking at least package 3, because we have seen pretty good improvements with that. But if you are in if you are in low competitive niche, package 1 and package 2 would work as well. So that's pretty much it. This video, as I said, it's pretty a short one. Just wanted to announce my Black Friday deal. We are running on legit.com you could get 15% off, and here you're getting 25% off right now, which is crazy offer. If you actually check any other service providers giving pretty much same quality link. Yeah, that was it for today's, guys. Let me know if you have got any question. Feel free to comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, have a great day.